digging. Your bucket teeth are upside down. So here's the backstory. One evening I was celebrating the release of another successful excavator video. And I was scrolling through the comments to see what people were saying. And I came across one that said, my bucket teeth were on upside down. I said, what? And I dismissed it as crazy talk. So I went on scrolling and I came across another person who said, your bucket teeth are on upside down. And I said, what? I then began to question everything I thought that I knew. What else have I been wrong about? Is the earth flat or is it round? Do I need a degree in bucket teeth geometry to figure this out? Or maybe, just maybe, my bucket teeth are on upside down. So apparently, it all comes down to whether you're scraping the dirt or digging the dirt. So let me show you these teeth right here. This is the way this machine came when I bought it. And as you can see, the teeth are angled up. So let me show you this so you can see it right from the side. So when I'm digging with this particular bucket, I'm going to hit here first, not the tooth tip. I was very skeptical when somebody said my teeth were on upside down, but they said it again in another comment, and I finally went through the effort of looking into it, and sure enough, it appears they were right. So here's a trenching bucket I bought for this unit, and it's the same thing. They're angling up. So I'm going to hit here first. So these also need to be turned around and be oriented in the right position. So let's go ahead and do that now and see what we come up with. The other thing that I was considering was which side of the bucket do the teeth go on? Are they even on the right side of the bucket? And I'd like everybody's opinions in the comments on whether these teeth are in the right orientation now, because it seems like a little bit of a religion online about this, or whether these teeth need to be turned upside down. All right, well, you can see after I put this tooth on upside down, or maybe right side up, depending on which side of the fence you're on with this project, you can see that they were kind of onto something. Now when I dig with this particular bucket, I'm going to be digging the whole time I'm in the hole, as opposed to it scraping right here on the bottom. So we're going to switch both of these around. Then we're going to switch around the teeth on my trenching bucket. And I think they'll be in the proper orientation for digging. So I'll do that and show you what it looks like. Now, just to kick up a little more controversy, this is the way they say to mount these teeth, under the bucket right here. Because that way, this is always hitting before this edge here on the side of the bucket. But I can tell you the way these teeth are manufactured, it has this groove right here. So when you put the teeth this way, pointing down, the bolts aren't long enough now because they're not in that groove. If you put them on top and bring it up through, you always want your nuts up top and your threads so that you're not, grinding those off every time you dig into a hole. But if you put them up here, now the bolt is long enough. So it appears this is the way they intended it from the factory. Whether it's right or wrong, I guess we can debate all day long, because it's how the bolts are long enough then. If you put the teeth inside the bucket here, then you are actually doing it according to ChatGPT and everybody I've read online. You shouldn't have the teeth inside the bucket, because then you start wearing on this bucket edge here. So I think I am going to go ahead and put them down here, because if these break, I can replace them, and you don't want to wear your bucket edge too much. And look, it doesn't thread on as long. I can always get longer bolts. That's not a big deal, and maybe I will, but they still hold on pretty tight. So we'll go ahead and put them on all the right way and see what it looks like. Okay, so there you go. I have now put the teeth on the correct orientation according to everything I've read. You will now hit the teeth prior to you hitting the edge of the bucket, and that should perform better at digging. Now, my question is, I got a couple questions. Number one, did I just thoroughly waste my time doing this? Is the internet wrong? Were the teeth right the first time, or is this proper? The other thing is, it seems like these teeth should be inside the bucket because of that flat part right there. But everything I read said teeth should go on the outside of the bucket, just like these wings here on the side of your buckets. So this is going to be one where I'm not telling you this is the right way. I'm just telling you that this is what people said. When I read, it seemed to confirm that this was correct, but I have absolutely no idea if it is correct or not. So let me know what you think. I'd like to put them the right way if I could, because if it enhances the digging and the efficiency of these machines, that's what we're all after here. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do a whole series on modifying this H15R. So if you haven't watched it yet and you're thinking about getting one of these units, check it out, because I think you might benefit from the modifications that I did to this machine. So until next time, this is Jeff with the Jeffscavator channel. And are you digging or are you filling?